Good morning, guys. Welcome to a brand new fishing channel called Aya Fishing. My name is Irshad, and today we are fishing at Broken Road. We are targeting carp today, but we will take anything at the moment. I'm on my way now to fetch my sister's son. He's joining us today, and then later on, one of my best friends he will also join up. The swell today is like 1.9 meters, and um, I think it's a southwesterly wind blowing today. High tide is at 12, and we want to be there like 2 hours before the push of the tide. So hopefully there's still spots left for us. But yeah, welcome to the channel and stay tuned. Takim, the guy that I was gonna come fetch. What do you have to say for today?
I'm very excited to get. Maybe I get my first fish today.
Okay, so I just picked up Mustaqim now and we're on our way to Farid. We only realized now that we don't have enough sinkers, so we're just gonna do a quick pop in by Farid and get some sinkers for us, and then yeah, then we're on our way to Broken Road. Mustaqim, do you have anything to say?
Not really, but you're gonna see you guys here.
Mustaqim just went inside now to get some crab sinkers for us. So yeah, hopefully we get something today, and the weather looks perfectly today. There's a slight wind, but it's not that bad. But yeah, let's see what happens today. So stay tuned. So we just arrived here at Broken Road. The water's rolling pretty decent. There is a lot of fishermen here at the moment. It's actually right down as you can see. But yeah, let's see what happens today. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the adrenaline tour circle loop. I'm just gonna do a normal clean shot. The reason for this is so that we just want to see what is actually in the water, and then later on we will switch to a bigger trace so that we can maybe target the carp or anything that will bite. But yeah, for now we're just doing a normal clean shot, as you can see, in the 2-0 adrenaline circle. I'm just gonna put it through the head, and then just put this one at the back for vacuum. We're gonna use some thin latex cotton and just tie it off softly, not too much. Throw on very nice and big. A few wraps around the head just to keep it in place. Just tie it down. You can see looking nice and proud.
So, I got the first shot today. L.
Mr. Kim, what you busy with?
I'm busy with the blood work. I can't do the same inside that's but it's close.
Are you gonna catch your first fish today?
Inshallah, that's first. First edible. I will come back to them. Yeah, just try it.
This cost is just like everything for. Here you guys can see a nice streamlined bloodworm bite presentation for you.
I'm gonna clip it so I can get the yeah.
Mr. Kim is going out for his fourth course so far. So yeah, let's see how he does. So hopefully that is in the fish's mouth. What can you say about your cost?
So, I always do use that different part. That's about season 15. That's about to be it.
What are you doing, Mustaqim?
So, I'm making a sardine and squid head, right? So I'm gonna put the sardine on one side and the squid head on one side with the movement in the water.
So at the moment nothing is happening. It's fairly quiet. But yeah, we still keep on going. Hopefully something is in the water and something will take our bite. And as you can see, the water is going to the back now. And yeah, the beaches are starting to clear up a little bit. Most of the people are leaving because of the wind. It's now dropping, tide is dropping like, I think it's now past 2. So we'll see what happens. Mr. Kim, bring your bite closer so that the viewers can see.
So I just put the hook through the head of the choker. I'm gonna tie it a bit up. And I'm gonna put the sardine on the sides of it. The bloody part of the sardine. I'll mess it up a bit. I'm targeting anything with this weight, guys. Anything and things.
Okay guys, nothing is happening at the moment. The water is completely flat now. It's like going into low tide. So yeah, only the one fish for today. But yeah, we love to fish another day. We saw at it, so we must see what happens the rest of the day. But I think we are gonna pack up like 5, 6 o'clock side, and then we're gonna. But it is still like small nibbles, but it's not like big, and they are not committing to the hook. So we must see and see what happens. So Muskan Kim just did his last cast and he's getting nibbles and bites, but it's not committing. We must see what happens, but yeah, he's getting small bites. Okay guys, so that was the end of our day. There was only one fish caught, but yeah, it was fun to be out again after a long week of work. Hopefully next time we will catch more, but yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. So yeah, to the next adventure. So we will see you guys again.
Tight lines, guys.